YouTube! What's up, guys? I hope you're all having a wonderful day. It's your boy James back with another video. And today we're going to take a look at a TJ Watt Pittsburgh Steelers Salute to Service jersey. So starting in 2011, the NFL started their Salute to Service collection where they offered jerseys, shirts, coats, hats, and all kind of other items in that product line. And the NFL actually donates all the proceeds from these items to nonprofit organizations that benefit veterans. Now, as far as the jersey goes, they're available in all 32 teams with an array of players available. And this particular jersey that we're looking at today is from the limited product line and has a retail price tag of $170. And this jersey comes directly from NFLshop.com. And when I was on the website, looking at the Steelers jerseys that were available, I saw quite a few different players. They had Juju Smith-Schuster, James Conner, Troy Polamalu that I was actually surprised to see, and they had this TJ Watt. And at the time of this recording, the TJ Watt jersey appears to be sold out at most retailers. I haven't been able to find another one. So I was actually kind of glad that I decided on copping a TJ Watt jersey. So if you're interested in picking up one of these Salute to Service jerseys, then I hope that this review can help you. So in today's video, what we're going to do is we're going to unbox this jersey. I'm going to do a full detailed review. I'm going to hit you with an unbody, and then I'm going to leave you with my thoughts on the 2020 Salute to Service jersey. I'd like to welcome back all my returning viewers and subscribers. But if this is your first time visiting the channel, my name is James, and I do reviews on sneakers, gear, and sports-related items. And if you all could do that thing that I like, and please destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. It does help the channel grow tremendously, and puts my videos out in front of more people. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you're notified every time I drop a video and you don't miss anything. So I ordered this jersey straight from NFLshop.com, and I placed the order probably about 3 to 4 weeks ago, and whenever I placed the order, they said that they weren't going to be shipping them out until the beginning to mid part of December. So I was actually pleasantly surprised when about 3 or 4 days ago when I got an email saying that the jersey shipped, and I just got it in hand today, so that was pretty quick shipping, and it didn't take as long as they originally said. And this is actually my first Salute to Service jersey. I've never actually owned one before. And I'm a Steeler fan, so, whenever I was checking these out, I was looking at them, they had a bunch of players available, Polamalu, Conner, Juju, but I went with the TJ Watt because TJ Watt, since he's been here for the past few years, has been absolutely killing it. I mean, this dude is probably one of the best linebackers in the NFL and definitely the best linebacker on the Pittsburgh Steelers. Alright guys, and here's the jersey, so let's get ready to start opening this bad boy up. But before we do that, I just want to show you an up-close clip of just how it looks, when it comes. And it's just basically in a plastic bag, and it has a piece of tissue paper. So here we go. One piece of tissue paper, 2 pieces of tissue paper, 3, 4. All right, and here we go, guys. We got the TJ Watt Salute to Service. Bow! So guys, my first impression is this jersey is very, very dark as far as just the color blocking scheme goes. And then you have your camouflage green numbers, threading, and all that stuff in it, which gives it a really nice look. I don't know how good it shows up on camera from a distance. And I'm actually impressed with the quality of the actual jersey material itself. This doesn't feel like your typical limited jersey. I actually have some close friends that are military members and have been in there for quite a long time. So, I'd like to thank any of you guys that support our military or are serving in our military. Thank you for your service. I really do appreciate it. And I know firsthand the sacrifices that people in the military make, and, they miss Christmases. They don't see their family very often, and when they do, it's for a short amount of time. So, guys, thank you so much. But now that we got this jersey out of the bag, let's go ahead and take an up-close look at this TJ Watt Salute to Service jersey. Alright, so here's our first up-close look at this TJ Watt Salute to Service jersey. Alright, so starting here at the top, inside the neckliner, you have this camo strip that is stitched into the jersey there. And then here you have a whole bunch of tags. So you have your standard fit tag, you have an NFLPA tag, an NFL on field tag, a salute to service tag, and then you have your Nike retail tag. It says $170. Alright, then here below the neckliner, you're going to have your NFL shield that is stitched into the jersey, and that is that, military green color. And then on the right hand side of the jersey, you're going to have this like Velcro feeling patch that says Pit.S, and then another Velcro kind of feeling patch with this little, I don't know what that would be for, but that's what you get on that side. Now on the left hand side of the chest, you're going to have this Steelers logo, and this is all embroidered all the way around, as you could tell. And this Steelers part feels very rubbery and soft. Now on the right sleeve, you're going to have your Nike swoosh that is stitched into the jersey, and then you're going to have your American flag that is also embroidered into the sleeve. And then on the left hand side of the sleeve, you're going to have that Nike swoosh that is embroidered. And then coming down here, you're going to have your salute to service NFL shield, and that whole thing is stitched into the jersey as well. Now coming down to the middle of the jersey, you're going to get this number 90, and this is all embroidered all the way around. It looks really cool. They did a really good job on that. And look at that 0. That's dope. Really well done. Really does pop nicely. The stitching is really well done on that. Now on the bottom left hand side of the jersey, you're going to have your jock tag, and it has the NFL shield, NFL players. This is a size large. And then your Nike logo. And as you can see by the stitching around it, it is embroidered into the jersey. Now on the side of the jersey, next to the jock tag, you're going to have this other tag that is done in camo. And on one side it says engineered. And on the other side it says on field. Now inside the jersey, you're going to have your laundry tag. And this says that it's made in Honduras, made out of 100% polyester. Now I believe that most limited jerseys are made with recycled polyester, which isn't quite as good as just 100% polyester in my opinion. Now we're going to move to the back of the jersey. So starting out here, you got your nameplate, and it's embroidered all the way around. And then here you have your lettering. Now this right here, this is all heat pressed. This is where they went a little bit cheap on this jersey. It is a cheaper jersey. It's $170. So, normally they would, do with some screen printing or some heat pressing in other areas. But since there's so many military patches on this thing, they embroidered those. But apparently on this, they give you the heat press lettering, guys. And then down here in the middle of the jersey, you got your 90 again. And this is all beautifully stitched all the way around. I really like the way that 0 looks. Alright, so here I turned the jersey inside out just so you can see, all the stitching that they put into this jersey. And then you can see like the camo neckliner that is inside of it. So, they did put a lot of quality into these. So, I'm actually shocked that, there's this much stitching on this jersey. I kind of expected it to be more, heat pressed. And here's a shot of the back of the jersey. So you could see, this is where the name would be. So if that was stitched, you would see stitching come through. And then here's your inside tag. And this is a size large. So I'm actually impressed with the level of quality that they put into the Salute to Service jersey. I did expect cheaper materials. I didn't expect so many things to be embroidered. But, that's actually good to see. But let me go ahead and throw this thing on and show you what it looks like on body.
Perfect.
So when it comes to this Salute to Service jersey, Definitely go true to size if you pick these up. However, if you plan on putting like a hoodie or, you know, some bulky sweaters or something like that underneath of this, I would definitely go one size up. So what I have on underneath this jersey is just a standard black long sleeve t-shirt, and it doesn't really affect the jersey as far as, you know, comfortability or fit. Now, as far as the quality and the materials that are used on this jersey, this costs $20 more than your typical NFL limited jersey that you would buy. And everything on this jersey is embroidered. All the patches, all the numbers, all that stuff is embroidered except for the last name on the back nameplate. The lettering on the back of the jersey is heat pressed. So that's where they, you know, go a little bit cheaper as far as the materials. And if you're thinking about picking this up, the money goes to a good cause. So, you know, if you're interested in this or you like this, no matter what team you're a fan of, you know, I recommend picking one up. It's nice to have in the collection. But I want to know what you think. What do you think of the 2020 version of the Salute to Service jerseys? Have you copped any of these from any other team or anything like that? Or have you copped them in years past? I'd like to thank you all for rocking out with me and watching this video. Before you guys bounce out, if you could do that thing I like and destroy that like button for me, I would really appreciate it. And if you're new to the channel or haven't yet already subscribed, hit that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you never miss any content on sneakers, gear, or sports related items. And until next video, peace.